Stop waiting. Stop delaying. Stop telling yourself tomorrow will come prepared for you. That alarm clock didn't fail you. You failed to answer the call on your life. You don't need another reminder. You need a decision, because every time you hesitate, time moves on without you. You've been living as if life owes you more time, as if tomorrow is guaranteed, as if comfort is more important than purpose. But hear this clearly. Your life is too valuable to be ruled by laziness, too precious to be wasted on excuses, too meaningful to stay trapped in misery. It's time to hit the reset button. Not next week, not when you feel ready, not when someone motivates you. Now, tell your excuses to be quiet. Tell your fear to step aside. Tell that voice that keeps saying, "I can't," to sit down. Pity will not save you. Waiting will not rescue you. Comfort will not rebuild your life. You're looking for a way out. I'm telling you to find a way in. Into discipline, into responsibility, into the strength you already possess. Stop searching for someone to save you. Stop waiting for validation. Stop hoping someone will come and pull you out. Nobody is coming, and that's not bad news. That's power. Because the same hands you're waiting for are the ones already attached to your body. Bail yourself out. Figure it out. Take responsibility for your life. I never said it would be easy. You will be judged. You will be doubted. You will be misunderstood. There will be days you feel broken. Days you feel scattered. Days you feel like your life is beyond repair. But listen to me. You can put it back together again. You already have the strength. You already have the faith. You already have the wisdom. What you need now is action. No more saying, "I tried." No more saying, "I'm not strong enough." Trying keeps you stuck. Doing moves you forward. Your life has meaning. Your life has purpose. Your strength didn't come from outside. It was born inside you. There is something within you more powerful than your circumstances. Whatever you're facing right now is temporary. Life is changing every single day. Your story is changing. Your future is shifting. But here's the truth we avoid. Time is limited. Life is fragile. And none of us escape the inevitable. That's why life is not a joke. It's a gift. And what you do with it depends on how you live today. Yes, people hurt. Yes, people struggle. Yes, being human is hard. But nobody can do you better than you. Your life matters. Your story isn't over. You can rebuild stronger, wiser, deeper, but not through pity. Not through waiting. Not through blaming the world. Everybody falls. Everybody gets knocked down. But staying there is a choice. Get back up. Keep pushing forward. No one is coming down to rescue you. You must rise. Stop asking to be saved. Start becoming responsible. Strength is built when excuses are abandoned. Stop depending on others to make you happy. Stop selling yourself short. Stop compromising your values. Stand on integrity. Stand on principles. Stand on who you are becoming. You don't have to start over. You start up today. If you're not growing mentally, physically, and spiritually, you will stay broken. You've invested too much energy into weakness, too much effort into excuses. Now invest in becoming stronger. Be better. Live better. Do better. Just because something breaks doesn't mean it's broken forever. Rebuild your life. Reconstruct it with intention. Let your actions speak louder than your excuses. Be productive. Stay strong. Never quit. And above all, conduct your business. No excuses. No waiting. No surrender. Rebuild your life because the world doesn't need who you were.